Hey guys, Josh here, back with another video for you guys. Today's video is how to clean a, not necessarily a gaming keyboard, basically any keyboard that has pop-out buttons. This one's a mechanical Corsair gaming keyboard. This is my RGB Stratford Corsair gaming keyboard that I use for gaming and whatnot. I've had this keyboard about 8 months, and just looking under it, it's got like a white background to it. It got pretty nasty under there, so I decided to do a deep cleaning. And I figured I'd show you guys how to do it. So you're only going to need a few things. You're going to need Q-tips for getting between keys, a few rags, a large towel, multi-surface cleaner for the black like wrist guard and any of the other just top of the keyboard and stuff, like the plastic, not near the keys, for that stuff. And then you're going to need like rubbing alcohol, or if you don't have that, you can use peroxide. That's gonna not be as strong and effective as the rubbing alcohol, but will work. And I'll take you step by step on how to do it. Basically, you're gonna take all these keys off and clean the inside of them, which I'll show you how to do and what you use, and then clean in between the actual keyboard itself, which I'll show you how to do without taking anything apart. You don't have to worry about that. You don't need a screwdriver to take anything apart. You don't have to put anything back together other than obviously the keys, popping them back on, which is real easy and simple to do. And yeah, basically, you know, if you have a key that gets stuck or gunked up and you're like, what the hell? If you're like me, I occasionally eat at my desk, not gonna lie. Like if I'm in a video game, I don't give 2 fucks. I'll have a cup of ramen, play video games, or, you know, a chip, you know? That shit gets in between your keys and you can't get it out. So I'll show you how to get it out, clean it up, make it look pretty again, almost like the day you bought it. So with nothing further ado, let's hop into this. Rinse for later when you're putting the keys back onto the keyboard. Step 2. After the picture is taken, remove all keys to start the cleaning process. Step 3. Dip the Q-tip into the rubbing alcohol and clean in between and around the keys.
Why you all about my business? Yeah, I've been working hard, always keeping to myself. Why you acting like a witness? Man, trying to get a piece once I'm getting all this world. No, you don't need to get involved, no, no, you don't need to get involved, no, no. Now you tryna get involved, no, no, you don't need to get involved, no. Why you tryna get involved, no, no, you were never about the squad, no, no. You don't need to get involved, no, no, you don't need to get involved, I hate the way you think we're friends, you must be crazy. I've been working till the day's end. Like why you hating? I've been doing this for years straight. All 7 days, keep the practice till they fear Jay. That's on the way, flow is mean but I may seem nice. Illuminated by the glow of all these street lights. I've been dreaming miles up while taking these flights. Leaving ones who had my back just never seem right. It's my fucking team like I dot my eyes so no one will ever cross me. I'm getting checks like I'm in a game of hockey. She hold me down, at least one person has got me. I try to keep it humble, only face me acting cocky, yeah. And everything is going my way. Girl got the ass and she going my place. Reppin' 603 and you know it's my state. Got some cash coming in, need to double my pay, ole. Why you all about my business? Yeah, I've been working hard, always keeping to myself. Why you acting like a witness? Man, tryna get a piece once I'm getting all this world. No, you don't need to get involved, no, no. You don't need to get involved, no, no. Now you tryna get involved, no, no. You don't need to get involved, no. Why you tryna get involved, no, no. You were never about the squad, no, no. You don't need to get involved, no, no. You don't need to get involved, no. This isn't easy, there's things you need to sacrifice. There's so much more than dope beats, and if you're rapping nice, music's forever, want this bumping in my afterlife. Rappers make a meal with the flow, not even half as nice. I guess that's the game though, never gonna change, bro. People hit me like you different, sorry, you're the
Step 4. Once the keys have been cleaned with the rubbing alcohol and Q-tip, take a dry Q-tip and go around the keyboard.
Visionary mindset coming through. Once I make it big, I got the whole team coming too. Always onto something new, this dream is what I'm running to. My initials tell your fade because J will always W. And everything is going my way. Girl got the ass and she going my place. Reppin' 603 and you know it's my state. Got some cash coming in, need to double my pay, ole. Why you all about my business? Yeah, I've been working hard, always keeping to myself. Why you acting like a witness? Man, tryna get a piece once I'm getting all this world. No, you don't need to get involved, no, no. You don't need to get involved, no, no. Now you tryna get involved, no, no. You don't need to get involved,
Step 5. Take a rag and spray the multi-surface cleaner on it. Start wiping the black plastic on the keyboard, but do not wipe the keys. Also, do not spray onto the keyboard or onto the keys. This is to prevent the cleaner getting into the keyboard.
no, no. You don't need to get involved, no. Get involved, no, 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 no. Get involved, no. Get involved, no, 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 no. Get involved, no. Yeah, too late to get involved. Sorry.
Obviously, after you're done cleaning the keyboard and you put the keys back on, you want to hook the bad boy back in to make sure everything works. In my case, nothing went wrong. On your end, there should be nothing that went wrong. As long as you're precautious about the liquid getting into the spacebar area on the circuit board and you're not pouring 10 pounds of liquid down on the keyboard, you should be fine. As you can tell, this is the keyboard the day after I clean it. All the buttons work. It's light, it's obviously lit up as you can tell. I mean, see, it's all lit up. It's prettier. I think it's actually more distinct, lit like how it's lit now, because in my case, I had a bunch of shit under my keys, which I think was blocking the actual LEDs shining through. So that helped. So it's a little bit more brighter in my personal opinion. I don't know if they actually are. But yeah, if you guys have any issues or run into any issues during this video, let me know down in the comment section. I'd be more than happy to help. If you guys like this type of content, leave a thumbs up. Obviously, this lets me know that you're actually enjoying and want to watch my content. Or my content. This type of content. Sorry about that. Yeah, and if you guys have any questions, like I said, don't be afraid to leave them down in the comments. I'm more than happy to help. And thank you for watching, and click here if you want to check out the last video I did, tutorial I believe. I think it was about Discord, and I'll see you guys sometime next week.
I won't be put in a box. Nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop. Cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master. I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get away, but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you, but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool, but they not new. Whoa, look how I go. Gonna be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gonna lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most. No, I'm never gonna choke and I'm looking back down on the